Hi guys, welcome to my channel Aviation Tech. In my previous video, I am discussing different type of tool. I hope you all are understand, and I am coming a new video for aircraft weight and balance. I expect you watch end of the video and well prepared module 7. Let's start. Module 7, weight and balance of an aircraft. Importance of aircraft weight and balance. द बैलेंस पॉइंट सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी मीन्स जो एयरक्राफ्ट को बैलेंस करता है, जिस पॉइंट पे एयरक्राफ्ट बैलेंस होता है उसको बोलते हैं सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी यानी CG. इट इज़ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ड्यूरिंग फ्लाइट ऑफ इट्स इफेक्ट ऑन द स्टेबिलिटी एंड परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ एयरक्राफ्ट. ये फ्लाइट के दौरान बहुत ही मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज when center of gravity is within the limit, then flight are safely fly. It must remain within careful defined limit at all stage of flight. The structural strength of the aircraft also limit the maximum weight the aircraft can safely carry. Manufacturer ये देखता है कि हम एयरक्राफ्ट के CG को विद इन लिमिट रखें फ्लाइट के हर स्टेज में. इसलिए हम एयरक्राफ्ट को वेट एंड बैलेंस करके CG को मेजरमेंट करते हैं कि वेयर इज CG आर लोकेटेड. इट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑफ एयरक्राफ्ट और वेट एंड बैलेंस. एवरी मैन्युफैक्चरर टू मेजर द वेट एंड बैलेंस रिपोर्ट और मेड. हर एक मैन्युफैक्चरर वेट एंड बैलेंस रिपोर्ट बनाता है ताकि CG को मेंटेन रखे विद इन द लिमिट एंड एयरक्राफ्ट के परफॉर्मेंस को देख के. इट्स प्राइमरी पर्पस टू ऑपरेट सेफली ऑपरेशन. वेट एंड बैलेंस रिपोर्ट का प्राइमरी पर्पस ये होता है कि जो एयरक्राफ्ट है वो सेफली परफॉर्म करे. एंड सेकेंडरी पर्पस ये होता है कि एयरक्राफ्ट का इफ़िशियंसी अच्छा हो. सम एयरक्राफ्ट आर रिक्वायर्ड टू बी वेड एंड हैव देयर सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी कैलकुलेटेड ऑन पीरियडिकली बेसिस इन एवरी ईयर. मीन्स हर एक एयरक्राफ्ट, सम एयरक्राफ्ट वेट एंड calculate center of gravity periodically basis in every 3 years. After 3 years again calculate weight and balance report. That's it. Some important terminology of weight and balance. Empty weight, the weight of an airframe, engine plus all permanently installed equipment, useful fuel and fuel engine oil. Empty weight means airframe weight plus all permanently installed equipment like control panel, engine, landing gear, this type of instrument, and unusable fuel and fuel engine oil. अनयूजेबल फ्यूल मीन्स जो फ्यूल हम फ्लाइट के लिए यूज़ नहीं करते हैं वो अनयूजेबल फ्यूल. एंड इंजन ऑयल कंसिडर करते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं हम एम्प्टी वेट. एंड नेक्स्ट, सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी. This is the distance from reference datum is determined by the dividing the total movement by total weight of the aeroplane. सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी एक डिस्टेंस है जो कि हम डिस्टेंस कहाँ से मेजर करते हैं, रेफरेंस लेते हैं डेटम से. ठीक, उसको बोलते हैं, वहाँ से सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी मेजर करते हैं. एंड डिवाइडिंग द टोटल मूवमेंट कितना है उतना डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल वेट ऑफ एन एरोप्लेन. देन कैलकुलेट सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी. इट में एक्सप्रेस्ड इन परसेंटेज ऑफ MSE or inches from the reference datum. और इसको हम एक्सप्रेस करते हैं MAC। MAC मीन्स मिनिमम मीन एरोडायनेमिक कॉर्ड। CG, formula of CG, total moment divided by total weight, CG limit। Extreme CG location within the aircraft must be safe operated at a given weight। CG लिमिट विद इन द लिमिट अगर जो होता है तो वो उस एयरक्राफ्ट का परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा होता है एंड सेफली परफॉर्म करता है। डेटम एंड रेफरेंस पॉइंट, इट इज़ ए इमेजिनरी वर्टिकल प्लेन और लाइन फ्रॉम ऑल हॉरिजॉन्टल मेजरमेंट ऑफ आर्म आर टेकन। मीन्स ये एक इमेजिनरी वर्टिकल प्लेन है, ये हॉरिजॉन्टली मेजर करते हैं जहाँ से हम आर्म लेते हैं। एंड इट इज़ ऑलवेज टेकन इन इंचेज। एंड सेकेंड, it is established by manufacturer all movement arm and location of CG range are measured from this datum point। Datum and reference point already established by manufacturer, because manufacturer is a understand where is a datum point to find easily and calculate easily any defect, any damage of an aircraft। See, this is a datum line, and this is a datum line, and you just take a measurement out of the datum line, take a positive sign, and take a forward of the datum line, take a negative sign। Arm, the horizontal distance from the reference datum to the CG of an item। जब CG से हम horizontal distance लेते हैं with the reference datum line, उसको बोलते हैं arms। Arms to the forward of the datum are negative sign taken, and those the left to the datum line। See figure, suppose this is a datum line and this is a forward, and forward you take a forward measurement and positive sign, and you take a aft measurement, then negative sign taken। See figure, moment, a measure of the rotational tendency of a weight about a specified line। It is indicated by the product of weight of an item multiplied by its arm। मूवमेंट, ये मूवमेंट इंडिकेट करता है कि प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वेट एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय आइटम। मूवमेंट इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट of weight into arms। The algebraic sign of movement based on the datum, location, and where weight is being installed or removed would be as follow। When weight being added out of the datum produce a positive movement, when you are added a weight out of the datum line, so weight is positive and arm is positive, both are positive। Simply, when you are any weight added out of the datum line, so you can consider positive weight and positive arm। And second, weight being removed out of the datum produce negative movement, weight considered negative because you remove a weight, and arm is always positive। Weight being added forward of the datum produce a negative moment. So weight is positive and arm is negative. Weight being removed forward of the datum produce a positive movement. Weight is negative and arm is negative. Forward limit and aft limit. This is a CG range, forward limit and aft limit. Example: the total movement is 52900 pound and the total weight is 595 pounds. Then the center of gravity is calculated as follow. MTO, maximum takeoff weight. It is the maximum weight at which the pilot is allowed to attempt to take off an aircraft. It is the largest weight allowed by design, structure, perform or other limitation. MZFW means minimum zero fuel weight. The maximum allowable weight of the aeroplane is zero fuel condition. This is the total weight of particular flight minus fuel. Minimum operating weight. Flight operation will not be conduct below the weight. Means जो flight operation होता है will not conduct below the weight. Ramp weight. The aeroplane weight at engine start assuming all loading is completed. Just you are start a engine, all loading is completed and you are starting a engine. This is a ramp weight. This is the maximum weight approved for ground operation, and this weight is a maximum weight approved for ground operation means it is a ram weight. Landing weight. The weight of an aeroplane at landing touchdown. The takeoff weight of an aircraft minus fuel burn. MAC, mean aerodynamic curve. The average distance from the leading edge to the trailing edge of the wing. Payload. Weight of occupant, cargo and baggage. Payload means anything you have used to earn money is known as payload. Standard weight. They are used for computing the weight of fuel, oil, crew, water and baggage. It is standard value considered is this value. Avgas 6 pound per gallon and turbine fuel 6.7 pound per gallon. Lubricating oil 7.5 pound per gallon. Water 8.35 pound per gallon and crew and passenger 170 pound per person, 190 pound per utility and aerobatic aircraft. What is a useful load? Difference between maximum takeoff weight and basic empty weight. Useful load means difference between maximum takeoff weight and basic empty weight is known as useful load. If include payload, usable fuel and fuel operating fluid. This is a most important DGCA question. Useful load. Usable fuel. It is the fuel available for the flight. Usable fuel means it is the fuel available for this flight. Usable fuel. Unusable fuel. The quantity of fuel that cannot be safely used during flight. This fuel are not used to perform a safely operation of flight is known as unusable fuel. Zero fuel weight. It is the operational weight of an aircraft including the payload but excluding the fuel load is known as zero fuel weight. scale weighting. Reading take from scale. When you are take a reading in a scale, this scale reading is a scale weight, including weight of aircraft, chocks and jacks. All including weight of aircraft and chocks and jacks also included. So this is a scale weight. And tear weight. Tear weight including weight of all item of scale that are not part the aircraft, such as jack, blocks, chokes. Means tear weight means including weight of all item of scale that are not part of, means all item included जो एयरक्राफ्ट का पार्ट न भी हो उसको भी हम इंक्लूड करते हैं, उसे बोलते हैं टेयर वेट. द वेट ऑफ द आइटम मस्ट बी डेडिकेटेड फ्रॉम द स्केल वेट टू ऑब्टेन द एक्चुअल और नेट वेट. Thank you. Some important point of section 2 series X part. So I will discuss as soon as possible, and thank you for support me. Thank you for watching end of the video. I hope you all are understand and you all are interested this type of video. So please like, comment and share, so I make a new video for next part. Thank you.